Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Before we begin, a quick but important disclaimer. This video is not about hacking or spying on someone without consent. These methods are meant for parents monitoring their children's devices or for people managing phones they legally own. Always respect privacy and follow the law. If you've ever wondered how to keep an eye on things, for safety, without having to actually install anything on the phone itself, you're in the right place. We're talking complete peace of mind, totally under the radar. Whether you're a parent, maybe a little concerned about what your kids are getting into online, or just someone who values their privacy and wants to explore all the options. Today I'm breaking down 3 legit and legal ways to monitor a phone without ever even touching it. We're diving deep into the tech that's already at your fingertips, so stick around. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's get into it. First up, we're talking iPhones, and for this one, we're harnessing the power of the cloud. iCloud is like this always-on backup system for Apple devices, and if you know the iCloud credentials, you basically have a window into everything happening on that phone. Think about it: photos, notes, calendar, events, all synced up to iCloud. It's like having a detailed log. But here's where it gets really interesting. Find My iPhone. This feature alone can pinpoint the phone's location in real time. Super handy for, say, finding a lost phone, but also for knowing exactly where someone is. Now, you might be wondering about messages, and yeah, iCloud can sync those too. If it's turned on, you can actually see all the iMessages and even some third-party messaging apps. But here's the thing. Transparency is key. This method works best when everyone's on the same page. We're not talking about snooping behind someone's back. It's more about open communication and setting healthy boundaries, especially with younger users. The best part, this is all built into iOS. No extra apps, no shady downloads, just pure Apple integration. Now, for all you Android users out there, Google's got your back with Family Link. This is parental control done right, straight from the source. We're talking a dedicated app that gives you a clear overview of what's happening on your child's Android device. App activity? Check. Want to approve or block downloads before they even happen? Done. Setting those crucial screen time limits to make sure they're not glued to their phones all day? Family Link does that too, but it doesn't stop there. You can even track their location, which is great for that extra peace of mind, and manage privacy settings to make sure their information stays protected. And the best part, it's completely free. Google built this specifically for families, so you know it's designed with safety and ease of use in mind. Just install Family Link on your device, link it to your child's Google account, and boom, you've got yourself a powerful suite of tools to promote responsible device usage. Okay, this last one often flies under the radar, but it's a game changer: your Wi-Fi router. Think about it. Everything connected to your home network, including phones, passes through this little device. Most routers have these built-in admin dashboards, and that's where the magic happens. You can see all the connected devices, sometimes even by name, and on some models you can get really granular. We're talking browsing history, specific websites visited, the whole 9 yards. Now, before you go full-on digital detective, remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's more about having a general understanding of online activity rather than monitoring every single click. Plus, a lot of modern routers are coming out with dedicated parental control features built in. These often let you set time limits for specific devices, block certain categories of websites, and even pause the internet entirely. Perfect for family dinners or those much-needed digital detox moments. So, if you're looking for a way to manage device usage on your home network without installing anything on the phone itself, your router is your new best friend. And that's it. 3 safe, legal, and effective ways to monitor a phone without installing software: iCloud Sync, Google Family Link, and router monitoring. These methods are designed to help you stay informed, protect your loved ones, and promote digital well-being. Remember, it's all about open communication and using these tools responsibly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out on social media. I'd love to help. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Our free and paid online courses learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update on tech, security, and digital tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.